Hey guys, Steve Ferguson here, your lender with Thrive Mortgage. Wanted to go over one of our other really cool bridge loan products today to tell you more about it and how it can help you and your clients take care of business when they have a home to sell. So let's get started. So let's assume that either you or a client of yours has a home that they need to sell to buy the next property. Contingency offers don't work that great. I get it. You may need an equity position from the sale of your home to put down on the new purchase, and we've got a solution for both. So the cool thing about this program is it allows for less than perfect credit, loans up to and over $1 million, which is awesome. And then it gives you a 0% interest-free second lien or line from the departing residents up to 80% of the value of the property that you can use to put down on the purchase of the new house before this other house over here is sold. Then you move into this new home, right? And then once the current home sells, the one that you just left from, then you pay everything off. You can take the remaining part of your equity and apply it down on the new purchase. We can do lots of different things to make sure that that's taken care of. But the important thing here is no contingency offers. And by the way, on this product, if your home doesn't sell within 120 days, the product that we use buys that home from you. It's going to be at a reduced price that allows you to continue to move forward. You don't make any more payments on it, no insurance, no taxes or anything. You're done after 120 days. And then what happens is this program will sell your house eventually at market price, whatever price that they can possibly get. And then they're going to give you the profit over and above what they told you they were going to charge for that process. So that is a really cool feature that allows you to sell your home, not have to worry about it. It's going to get done, buy your new house, move in, no contingencies. Seller's happy, buyer's happy, you're happy, and everybody gets down the road and into their new house. Really hope that helps. Call me with any questions on this, guys, and it's a fantastic product. Look forward to talking to you about it more. Talk to you later.